warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello kids, good morning. How are you today? I am fine, thank you. And how about you? I hope all of you fine too. Today we are going to learn about the phonic sound of letter T. Okay? But before we start our lesson today, we have to pray first. Let's join your hand and say Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. Before we start our lesson today, did you still remember our last lesson? Yes, good job. Now I want to sing a song about the phonic sound of letter A until letter S. A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball.
C is for cat. Cat.
D is for duck. Duck. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fish. Fish. G is for grapes. Grapes. H is for house. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. J is for juice. Juice. K is for kites. Kites. L is for lamb. Lamb. M is for mask. Mask. N is for net. Net. O is for orange. Orange. E is for pineapple. Pineapple. Q is for queen. Queen. R. Rainbow. S is for star. Star. Yes, that's right. Thank you. Now I want to show you the new letter. What letter is this? Yes, good job. This is the letter T. Now listen to me. T is for tree. Tree. 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 Okay. T is for turtle. And T is for tan. Okay. Now I want to show you how to write the letter T. Okay. Let's look at me. T is for tree. Tree. T is for tree. Tree. Once more. T is for tortoise. Tortoise. T is for turtle. Turtle. Okay, good job. Now I have a new worksheet. Okay. Now I want to show you the new worksheet. This is the new worksheet for you. But before we do this worksheet, you have to write down your name here and the date also here. Okay? Now, let's trace the letter T using color pencil. I want to use the purple color pencil like this. Make a straight line and make a curve and straight line like this. T is for tree. T is for tree. T is for turtle and T is for tortoise. Okay, good job. Now, after that, we'll make a tree. Use the cotton bud and what is this? Watercolor. I use the red color, yellow color, and the blue color. Let's see me. Don't forget, use your cotton bud. And now I want to try make a yellow cotton bud first. Okay? Make a dot like this. One by one. Or you can use your watercolor with your favorite color. Okay? The yellow or the green color and the blue color or anything else. Okay? And after that, I want to mix this color, the yellow color, with the blue color. Okay, what happens is if Miss Yuni mix the yellow color and the with the blue color and the yellow color. Okay, what happens if Miss Yuni mix the yellow color and the blue color? What happens if Miss Yuni mix the yellow color and the blue color? It can be the green color. Okay, like this. Make many dots using the cotton bud. Like this. Like this. And I want to give the red color. Okay. Worksheet, letter T. Ta-da! Look at my worksheet. Okay, kids, I think the lesson of letter T is finished. And don't forget, if you find some difficult when you doing your worksheet, don't forget to ask your mother or your cat. Okay? Alhamdulillah. Now, let's we sing by Hamdalah together because our lesson today is finished. Okay? Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye. See you